What's up, guys, and welcome to Fino Concept. I'm Theo, and I'm going to take you through today's course. Today we are going to be talking about the crop tool. Now, essentially what the crop tool does is it allows us to create to crop out some parts of the image. So we have a few options here. We'll begin with the ratio. Now the ratio, what it does is it allows you to set your own ratio. So if I select 16 by 9 aspect ratio, if I select 16 by 9, if I want to crop out this image, it's going to keep it as 16 by 9. So you notice that even if I bring my mouse down, it's not picking it up. If I send it sideways diagonally, then it keeps it at 16 by 9. Then once I have the portion I want, I could select or drag the image to any portion that I desire. Then I click on the OK button, then it will select. So if I change this to 10 by 9, it's going to keep it as, sorry, let me bring this back up, 10 by 9. If you change it to 5 by 9, it's going to keep it at 5 by 9. So that's basically what the ratio part of the crop tool does. Now if I change this to WH resolution, this allows me to change it to any height or width that I prefer. So I could use this width, and I'll drag in my image. I could check on it, OK, but I'll just cancel this. The original ratio, what it does is it's going to keep this the crop tool at the original ratio of the image. This image is 16 by 9, so if I try to crop out, it's going to be 16 by 9 all around. Anywhere I send it is going to be 16 by 9. So even if I drag it up, it's still going to be 16 by 9. If I drag it from the size, it's still going to be 16 by 9 because the image is 16 by 9. If it was 4 by 5, it's going to keep it at 4 by 5. So that's the difference between the original ratio and the ratio. The ratio you can set it yourself. Now the square makes you select 1 by 1 as a ratio of 1 by 1. Obviously 4 by 5, you get the point. So they're self-explanatory. The next tool is the perspective crop tool. Now what this does is the moment you select a portion you want to use, it allows you to reselect some part. So in case the part you want to crop out is not a real shape, you could alter the edges. So let's just say the part you want to crop out is more like this image, weird looking thing. Looks like a kite though. The moment you check on OK, then it's going to crop out just that portion. So if I undo, probably if it's like this, if I click from the corner, just like this, if I hit OK, it's going to crop it out. Ew. As that. So that's the perspective crop tool. Now the slice tool is usually used by, if you're a web designer and you want to use Photoshop for your web designs. Let's just say you have your home button here, you could use the slice to slice that up. If you have your about us here, you could just select that, our services, contact us. So the moment you save this as a web file, this is going to, the home page is going to show us an image about us, a single image. So it's more or less like several images coming together to form the website. So that's what the slice tool does. Let's just get right into the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool basically just any point you click on the image is going to take up the color and change it to your foreground color. Okay, so if I click on, this is what I mean, if I click on the eyebrow, it's going to change the foreground color to the color of the eyebrow. If I click on this pimple or acne right here, it's going to change it to that color. If I click on this part of the image, it's going to change it to that. So basically that's what is that. The lips is going to be pink, I think. So that's the eyedropper tool. The next tool will be our healing brush tool, so make sure you keep watching and see you guys later.